was Hoffa's headquarters, Mobsters. Local 337, and he would drink alcohol over there, so he'd make the calls. So this is where Jimmy Hoffa made his calls on a phone booth when he was being tapped by the FBI going to this pub.
Yeah.
And then there's the Teamsters building right over here. That's a casino. And we are going right here to Nancy's Whiskey. Okay.
Yeah. Let's have a drink and then
Yeah.
let's just keep walking. It doesn't matter. Tito's is fine. Everybody says Tito's first, so it's like,
It's actually probably my preference because like nothing else really tastes better, and it's probably like middle of the line as far as price goes, you know?
yeah.
It's not bottling, getting me a headache, but
It's not like, what's the one? This is fucking awesome.
Go ahead. I'm listening. Yeah.
Very cool.
the Teamsters used to lock from here.
Yeah.
So when Jimmy Hoffa's FBI informant told him that his phone was bugged, he used that phone booth as his personal office.
That's what we heard.
That's the one in the move?
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
That's
It's got the
totally
original
what we're
phone
hearing.
in it, so it's also awesome.
Super cool.
We also had a really bad fire here in 2009 that like burnt up our entire bar and our back bar and most of our ceiling tiles, which we had to replicate and then paint afterwards. But the phone booth, the only thing that
Did not go down.
it did not, the little vents melted.
Wow.
That was it. It was like, it made it.
So cool. I'm gonna pee.
Jimmy Hoffa was here, guys. Jimmy Hoffa would make his calls right here.
One for you and one for what? Your Mike, or your lady.